There you go. Beautiful. You're doing well. That's cute.
Don't lean forward.
Don't lean forward. Sit back. Shoulders back.
You can't steer it, that's why.
You right?
You've got to put all your weight down to your feet, so put your heels down. There you go. So you put
He's quite happy to follow. Erin's keeping her space with the tails, like, yep, that's as far as you get. Just swish ya.
Yeah, just get your face out of my butt.